In futures, job report came in, market liked it and it jumped. I mean, even before it comes, it was green, and right now we are 45, 46. Pre-market, everything looking bullish. Let's see what's gonna happen. So anyhow, 5 minutes is up, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything is upward. So 4 hour got a dead cross last night, but if it does golden cross today after open, then market can squeeze up crazy. And as always, don't forget the rule. If 5, 15, 30, you see at open dead crosses, market can reverse. But just in case it happens. But for now, everything is upward. Daily, we start getting a more blue bars. And let's look at the monthly actually. The monthly, yep, we got the second bars. And this is on the rise. I want to see Tesla. Can't wait. Market open, see Tesla if it's gonna, for sure it's gonna monthly golden cross gonna happen. So anyhow, NQ same thing, everything is upward. So 4 hour like same thing, got a dead cross, but now a golden cross again. So there is possibility market rips up higher. And here's the thing, if you look at the NQ and ES, there is a top here. We came down, and right now we had slow motion coming up, and then one big day, and then right now last 2 days is slowly coming up. And today is a small green 2.6, but it's possible that market heads for a double top, and then we'll see what happen after that. So it's possible we go retest the highs of July that we had. So let's look at TNX. TNX, it's getting close to 40.42. If it goes below that, then market can rip up crazier higher. Um, DXY. After unemployment report, after job report, it came down, but now it did a little bit of recovery. So that's a key factor. You want to pay attention to it. Two key level to watch is 103, 183, and 102, 103, 676 breaks. Either one, it can make a bigger move. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is downward. So if continues going below 103, 183, it can rip market higher. Wix 2% lower, and it's getting close to 13. So just keep in mind the low of the season was 1273, and we are very close to it. So most likely it will make a new low. The way it's going, everything directional and pointing down. So most likely it will retest these low, and then we'll see if it's gonna. Because let me show you guys something here. So VIX is continue going down, and previous, I mean, let's look at this. So it was down here, and now it's coming down. So there's two situations. Either it's gonna come down here and make a new low, and then after they make a new low, either gonna continue lower, or it's gonna consolidate, or if some bad news happen, a sharp return. So for now, direction is down until we see some sign on the daily. So we'll see what happens. SPX, let me show you the levels there. So right now, let me change this to 1 day. Okay, so SPX key level, if market continues going up crazier, for next major level is 4577.66. And Apple 1 point higher today, 190.8. That's the next key level. Direction is up. 190.08 passes. We're looking at 191.7. And next week we got the event. So 192, 193, 194 is the next target for next week. Thank you very much. And Amazon. To 139. Amazon, it's above 139.48 major level. If it passes, if it continues jumping at open, and next target is 140.38, 141.52. Direction on the 515, everything is looking upward. And once the daily MACD golden crosses, this can go crazy. And Nvidia 4 points higher, 5 points higher, 498. That's a key level to watch at open. Passes that one, 501.37. 501 is a key level to watch, and the all-time high is 502.66. If it passes that, it can go straight to 511, 528, and higher level. Pre-market looking very bullish. Everything is upward. Baba 2 points, almost 1 point higher. So that one 94.78. That's a key level to watch. 4 hours gold, about to golden cross. So if it does pass for 94.78, we're looking at 96.81, 98.83. Bidu 9 146.17, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one. 149 152. Netflix 437 is a key level. 1530 is upward. Need to get a 1 hour MACD golden cross and pass 437. Passes that one. 439 443 and 446 is the next target. Meta had a hard time yesterday to pass 300. Passes daily is on the edge to get a golden cross, so most likely in the next 10 days maybe this is possible to have a big green day. Past 300, we're looking at 305, 310 and higher level. Tesla, I'm confused what's gonna happen today, to be honest. They reducted the price of Model X, Model Y, and then they put a new model of a new design for Model 3, which is very nice, but once they drop the prices, their margin goes lower, so the profit goes lower. So it's gonna be confusing. Is this a permanent discount or is this a temporary discount to push the numbers for delivery for this quarter? So you have 1 month to go until next quarter, and right now you can see 4 hours dead crossing. So I won't be surprised if Tesla falls. Why? Because the profit is, they're gonna make less money. So by cutting this much, yes, they will sell more, but we'll see what happens. Market reaction could be a little bit weird today. 257, 256, that's a key level to watch. If it can hold it, it can retest the lower level, 252, 248, and 246. So keep an eye on 15 and 30. If you see 1530 MACD dead crosses, be cautious. It can fall bigger. And yeah, so not too much bullish on this news that happened overnight on Tesla. Microsoft 331.41 passes 333, 336, 338. Google 137.92 passes. We're looking at 139.36 for next week. 144. If it goes crazy, I mean, I'm not sure if it's gonna go to 150 next week, but we'll see. AMD 108, that's a key level to watch today. Daily MACD should golden cross today. 108 is a key level. 108.18 passes. We're looking at 109, 110, 112, 21. Boeing was interesting yesterday. It fell. I didn't see that much news except some nothing important. So gotta pay attention to the levels. 223, 226. Those are the key levels to watch. Passes either one can make a bigger move. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. SPY wise, so most likely to 454.48 is most likely will hit today. The question is if it's gonna pass. It's 454. If it passes 454.48, we're looking at 455, 457.78. That's the next major level. And as always, keep an eye on 15 and 30. If you see dead cross, direction is gonna change. But for now, everything is upward. QQQ 180 is reaching 379.77. It passed. So next major levels are watched is 382, 385, 387. What else you got here? AVGO dumped and then went higher, and right now is doing a recovery. So direction of 15 and 30 is upward. So 905 if it passes, again 908, 914, 919 can go for head or recovery. So this one most likely premium is gonna be crushed at open, but since the premium is gonna get crushed at open, it's gonna be cheap. So if it jumps, you can make good money. It's a high risk if it turns around. Anyhow, SMCI usually it runs from open till midday, and then midday does some reversal. So 287, 296, 306.3, those are the next target there. The VFS is a very interesting name. So this one I am watching at 29.49. If it can hold it, we're looking at 18.14 and 11.61. At some point, this one the low is 11.61. 11.61 is getting close to it. So premiums are gonna getting crushed on calls. Once it gives a bounce up, it can be very very interesting. So keep an eye on that one. AMC was interesting yesterday. It jumped pre-market, then it start dumping from the open. Again, 1 hour we're getting a yellow bar, 4 hours still bullish, and then we want to see 1 hour MACD golden cross. Once that happens, we can have another run up. But what else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. Shop Um, Shop, there is 2 kilovolt to watch: 6732, 6849. Passes 6849, this one can run up higher crazy to 7381 and higher level. Keep an eye on, keep in mind that last few weeks 6849 was a tough level and the high was 7143. Once it passes 6849 and 7143, that high of this season, it can go crazy. That's it. Let me see. Snow, not much special. Yep, that's it. Best of luck today, and keep an eye on Tesla at open. And as always, if you like the levels, chartwiser.com. If you want, sign up for sale option service. And happy Friday and happy long weekend. Have a good one. Take care.